Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blue Bird PCS 2210A oil pump telescopic pole pruner is a highly functional tool designed to ensure excellent performance in any pruning situation. Weighing only 3.5 kilograms, this pruner offers a perfect balance between power and ease of use. Equipped with a 22-centimeter blade and a 9-inch carving bar, the pruner ensures precise cuts even on branches of significant diameter, up to 21 centimeters. The oil tank adjacent to the blade ensures constant lubrication, reducing maintenance and extending the tool's lifespan. The adjustable telescopic pole allows you to reach great heights effortlessly. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.